Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Continue.dev, GitHub Copilot, and Cline. Continue.dev, GitHub Copilot, and Cline are all tools that assist with coding, but they each work in different ways. Continue.dev is an open source coding assistant that you can run locally. It integrates with editors like VS Code and lets you customize how the AI works. You can connect it to different models, keep your code private, and even tweak its behavior for your workflow. It's a good choice for developers who want full control and privacy without depending on cloud-only tools. GitHub Copilot is a popular AI coding partner made by GitHub and powered by OpenAI. It provides real-time code suggestions, auto-completion, and even full function generation while you type. It's easy to set up, works with many programming languages, and it's great for quickly writing or improving code. However, it relies on the cloud, so it's not fully private. Cline is a more advanced AI coding agent that can not only suggest code but also read entire projects, make changes across files, and run multi-step coding tasks. It's designed to act more like a smart collaboration that can handle big updates, refactoring, or adding new features to existing projects. In short, Continue.dev is for developers who want an open source and customizable assistance. GitHub Copilot is the go-to for fast and simple AI code suggestions, and Cline is best for complex multi-file coding work. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.